zoo today. We're going to look at some animals, we're going to eat, and it's going to be a lot of fun. You are watching Leyna's Playhouse. Whoa.
What do you want to see first?
I want to see this animal. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what to see, guys.
You don't know what to see. We'll just go explore then, right?
Yeah.
What's that, Leyna?
The bear.
Wow. Oh, here's another one.
Oh, right here.
Ooh.
Biggest, baddest bear.
Wow.
Run! One of them ran away. So, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And he's a subscriber.
What's that? It's a crane, huh? Whoa, buddy, look. What's up, Mr. Deer? How's your day today? Every day for me is a rain. That's why they call me reindeer.
Let me stand right there. You love the rain.
Ooh. Oh, look at it. Oh.
What do you like here?
Bang the drum, buddy.
Let's try to play this thing.
They are so lazy.
How many are they? Here's 5.
5 rows.
5. Brother!
Hey, what's this? Yeah. Wow.
You said mama.
The world's fastest mammal.
Oh,
Yeah, what's that, bud?
Mine is this one. Look.
Liam, we're getting a monkey.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
So fast. Guys, we're gonna go see the elephants. But the thing is, I'm tired.
You tired? The elephant will give you a lot of energy. There it is right there.
It's a female and male. I know by the size. There's a female and there's a male.
Really?
The
The
male's doing nothing. But the male's
which one is a male? Which one's female?
The one that's eating hay is the male. Is the female.
The female's the biggest one, right?
No.
The bigger one?
Male, that's the male. The male's the one that's eating the hay, and the female is the one that's right there.
Really?
Yeah, I know which one. Look at the size. One's bigger than the other.
All right. Leyna is going to feed.
Giraffe.
Look at this.
It has $3.
This is giraffe food. Yep. Are you excited?
Yep, $3
$3.
Big yeah.
Yeah. Buddy, you ready to feed the giraffe too, huh? So this is what you're gonna be feeding, huh? Right here. Nice.
You're gonna give one piece of lettuce at a time. You don't want to rip it up or tear it. So one big piece, because the big piece is like a treat for them. It's like getting a cookie. Okay?
Big
It's very
piece.
special when they come up here to get a big piece of lettuce. Okay? Can we do that?
Yeah.
All right. I think you are big enough to handle your lettuce. Just make sure that the giraffe doesn't get all three at once, but then I'm gonna hand these off
To mommy.
hand out. Yep, you guys can come right over.
All right. Yay.
Until we're ready, actually. Yep, stay right here, please. We can actually follow me.
All right. Come on. Come on, guys.
Right in front of his
railing
nose
right
here.
Okay.
Yeah, but if I could actually have you a little bit more this way here, you could just swing his head that direction. Go ahead and come. You want to face him. Perfect.
Whoa.
Oh, since you dropped that one, you guys get it back. There you go, little one. Good job. Oh, he won't bite you. He's only got bottom teeth. So giraffes only get bottom teeth. Good job. All right. Oh, please don't break the lettuce. Thank you. Go ahead and get a little bit closer, okay? There we go. Good job. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. We have a walking down at the end.
All right. See you, giraffe.
That was a lot of animals.
So what did you just do?
Yeah, I feed the giraffe. Did you guys see?
Feed the giraffe?
What's the funny part? It's the tongue.
What's the fun part?
The tongue.
The tongue?
Yeah.
Did you get to feed the giraffe, bud?
Yeah.
You did? All right, play a song, mommy.
Okay, buddy, come on. Together. Leyna, play a song.
Play a song. What's that? So cute, huh?
Oh, I want to take it to home.
You want to take it home. So we're done with the zoo, huh, bud?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Home.
We're going home. All right.
So, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please click and subscribe for more videos of Leyna's Playhouse. And click here and here for more videos of Leyna's Playhouse. Good.